Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you the easiest way how you could repair corrupted system files in Windows computer. So if you are running into that error that it says corrupted files or corrupted system files, then this video is for you. Regardless of your Windows operating system, just go to your search tab and type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator. For some people, just go to the application itself, right-click with the right button of the mouse and click Run as Administrator. Windows user control message will appear and it will say, do you want to allow this application to make changes to your device? You can go ahead and click yes. This little window will pop up and here you have to type sfc/scan now and hit enter. By this, Windows application will start running a scan of your system and it will try to locate and find all the corrupted files, and then it will look for a copy for them and replace the corrupted files with the correct version of it. As you can see, beginning verification phase of system scan, verification 13% completed. It will take few seconds to several minutes to be done, and once it's done, this application should have searched, scanned, found, and repaired all the corrupted system files for you. I will just pause the video here and I will show you what to the next once this application finished scanning. So roughly the process of verification and scanning has taken about 2 to 3 minutes. It says verification 100% complete, as you can see. Windows Resources Protection did not find any integrity violation. It's showing this message to me because earlier this morning I ran this process and it fixed all the corrupted files. But for you, it might show, as per the Windows official website, it might show that Windows Resources Protection found corrupted files and successfully repaired them. And this happens in 99% of the cases when corrupted files are found, they're being automatically repaired. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.